The Raindrop by Filippa. I'm falling! Yikes! What's this brown thing? And by the way, I see a cow. The brown thing at least tastes good. Raindrop. Excuse me, what are you doing down there? Cow. Raindrop. I accidentally fell from the cloud. I miss my home so much. Cow. Where is your home then? I can maybe help you find your home. Narrator. So off they went to the north. Raindrop. I think I'm melting. Am I? No, it can't be. I am melting. Narrator. In the sky, she saw someone she recognized. Raindrop. Mom, Dad, I'm home. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.